In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add page numbers in Word Online. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips. To get started, open your document in Word Online. Now go to the Insert tab on the top toolbar and click on Page Numbers. From here, you can choose where you want your page numbers to appear, at the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. You'll also see alignment options like left, center, or right, so you can position the page numbers exactly where you want them. Once you select your preferred style, Word Online will automatically add page numbers throughout your entire document. You can scroll down to check that each page is numbered correctly. If you ever want to remove or edit your page numbers, just click inside the header or footer area, select the page number, and choose Remove Page Numbers or adjust its position and formatting as needed. And that's it. You now know how to easily add, format, or remove page numbers in Word Online. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Word Online and Office 365 tips.